Ever wonder if you're leaving money on the table? Understanding your income isn't just about your salary, it's about unlocking every earning opportunity. Want to discover how our channel can empower your financial journey and potentially unlock amazing future cash giveaways? Stick around! This video is your guide to truly maximizing your earnings and gaining complete financial control. I'll also share how you can be ready for our upcoming prizes. Don't go anywhere. Let's start by truly defining your income. It's far more expansive than just your main paycheck. Many people limit their view of income to the regular amount they receive from their primary job. But to genuinely maximize your financial potential and gain full control, you need to broaden this perspective dramatically. Your income encompasses your core salary, certainly, but also includes less obvious streams like performance bonuses, sales commissions, payments from freelance projects, tips from service roles, rental income from property, regular dividends from investments, or even income from selling items you no longer need online. Every single unit of currency that flows into your household, consistently or sporadically, is part of your income. Comprehending all these different streams, even those small or irregular ones, is the crucial foundational step. It provides you with a panoramic view of your financial power, an essential element for effective budgeting and strategic saving, as we've explored in our earlier discussions. Now, let's demystify your primary income source, your main paycheck. Understanding the critical difference between gross and net pay, along with those often overlooked deductions, is incredibly important. Your gross pay is the grand total of your earnings before any deductions are subtracted. It's the big number that signifies your total earning power. Your net pay, on the other hand, is the actual amount that conveniently lands in your bank account, your take-home pay. So, what exactly are these deductions that shrink your gross pay? They typically include various forms of taxes, like income tax, social security contributions, mandatory health insurance premiums, contributions to retirement funds, such as a pension or provident fund, professional or union dues, and sometimes even loan repayments automatically deducted. Many individuals only focus on the net pay because that's what they can directly use. However, a finance professor understands that deeply knowing your gross pay and meticulously understanding why each deduction is made helps you grasp the true, full value of your work. It also empowers you to identify potential areas for optimization, for example, adjusting your tax withholdings if you're consistently overpaying, or thoroughly reviewing your health insurance plan to ensure you're not paying for unnecessary coverage. Knowing these granular numbers truly puts you in the driver's seat of your finances, rather than passively accepting what's left after deductions. Beyond just understanding your current income, let's explore tangible ways to strategically boost what you're already earning within your existing work or career. This isn't always about the daunting task of finding a completely new job, it's about intelligently maximizing the opportunities that already surround you. First, master the art of salary negotiation or proactively ask for a raise. If you've diligently acquired new, valuable skills, consistently taken on more responsibilities, or have a track record of exceeding expectations, it's time to build a compelling case and confidently advocate for your worth. Many individuals significantly undervalue their true market value. Second, become an expert at leveraging all available workplace benefits. Are there performance bonuses, sales incentives, overtime opportunities, or exclusive employee discounts on products or services you actually use that you're not fully utilizing? Even seemingly minor perks, like subsidized meals, travel allowances, or professional development funds, can effectively increase your disposable income without you earning a higher base salary. Third, invest strategically in upskilling yourself. Dedicate time to acquiring new certifications, completing specialized online courses, or attending industry-specific workshops. These targeted investments in your knowledge and capabilities can demonstrably increase your professional value, directly leading to promotions within your current organization or opening doors to higher-paying roles both internally and externally. Always remember, your time, skills, and unique contributions are invaluable assets. Ensure they are being compensated appropriately in your current role. Finally, to truly maximize your earnings and forge significant financial independence, it's crucial to proactively explore and cultivate additional income streams beyond your main employment. This is where you strategically diversify your financial landscape, building resilience and accelerating wealth accumulation. Side hustles represent a fantastic and accessible way to begin this diversification. Think broadly about skills you already possess that you can offer as a service in your free time, perhaps writing, freelance graphic design, tutoring, pet sitting, or even local errands. Alternatively, consider selling items you no longer need online, creating unique handmade goods, or participating in legitimate paid online surveys. Beyond active side hustles, a powerful avenue to explore is passive income opportunities. While these typically require an initial upfront investment of time, money, or effort, they can eventually generate earnings with significantly less ongoing active involvement. Examples include investing in dividend-paying stocks that regularly distribute profits, building a small rental property portfolio, developing and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses, creating niche blogs with advertising revenue, or even engaging in peer-to-peer lending platforms. By meticulously building multiple, diversified streams of income, you not only increase your overall earnings capacity but also construct a robust financial safety net, dramatically reducing your reliance on any single income source. This strategic diversification is a cornerstone of true financial freedom and long-term wealth creation. Listen up, amazing audience. It's giveaway time for serious growth. Want a shot at winning? Comment below right now with the precise learning you genuinely gain from our video. Prove you were here, that you absorbed it. We verify every winner's comment to ensure it's truly genuine. If your comment triggers an illusion or is unreal, you may lose the reward. For all crucial giveaway rules, eligibility, winner selection, click the dedicated video link in the description. Our promise: top-tier finance knowledge, unwavering support, and verified platforms for wealth generation. Get smart, get engaged, and join us. Like, subscribe, and catch us in the next video.